Hello, everybody. It's Captain Math in the house. And today on my Captain Math board, I see that some of my subscribers want to know, where did multiplication come from? Well, let me let you know a little secret. You've been multiplying ever since first grade. But when you learned how to add, that was a form of multiplication. It's called repeated addition. So let's look at the examples here. I have some Nutcracker dolls that I purchased at the Dollar Tree because I like to use manipulatives to teach math. It makes it more fun. So if you look on this group right here, how many Nutcracker men do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many Nutcracker men we have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, as an experienced first grader, what is 5 plus 5? That's right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And in first grade, you were learning how to add. Well, guess what? Multiplication is repeated addition. So what number's being repeated? That's right, the 5. The 5 is being repeated how many times? 2. So how many groups do I have? That's right, I have 2 groups. I got this group of nutcrackers, and I have this group of nutcrackers. Very good. Now, how many nutcrackers are in each group? That's right, it's 5 of them. So, wow, look at that. We have made a connection. We have been learning multiplication ever since first grade. It's just that your teachers didn't teach it to you yet, because they want to make sure that you know how to add before you multiply. So now we made a connection. We made a connection with repeated addition and multiplication. So 2 times 5 is also 10. So the subscribers that asked, where did multiplication come from? It came from repeated addition, because you add the same number over and over and over again, which is the basics of learning how to multiply. But let's try another one. I put another problem on the board. I put a multiplication problem on the board. 3 times 2. And we're going to use our Nutcracker manipulatives to create 3 times 2, and we're going to find the repeated addition for 3 times 2, because repeated addition is multiplication. So, what does this mean? This means 3 groups of 2's. So what we're going to do is we're going to move our Nutcracker men into 3 groups of 2's. All right? So let's do it. 3 groups now. So that means I got to have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I got to have 2 in each group. So I'm going to put, here's a group of 2's. Here's a group of 2's. And here's a group of 2's. Do I have 3 groups of 2's? Are there 3 groups? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 groups. Are there 2 nutcrackers in each group? Yes, it is. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we just showed some evidence that we can use nutcrackers to create a multiplication fact. 3 times 2, which is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 3 times 2 is 6. And our Nutcracker manipulatives is giving us the evidence to prove that 3 times 2 is 6. Now, we can take this manipulatives and create a repeated addition. So what do you think I'm going to add over and over again? That's right. I'm going to add 2. So I'm going to add this 2 plus this 2 plus this 2. So if we add those 3 2's, we should get the same answer as 3 times 2. Let's count by 2's. 2, 4, and 6. So we did prove that multiplication came from repeated addition, which you learned in first grade. So you've been multiplying all this time. You just didn't know it. Now you see the connection. Now you see that repeated addition is multiplication. And we use our Nutcracker men to show the evidence. Isn't that easy? Once you use the right tools and right manipulatives, and it makes math so much fun. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe and or share with someone, because I want to make math as fun as possible, and I want to make sure that you understand how to add, repeat addition, and multiply. See you next time.